Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable polymer clay donut charm. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Let's get started! So I'm just starting off with a ball of donut colored clay, and I'm pressing it out into a nice round shape. I'm just smoothing it out a bit. So now I'm going to use a plastic needle to make the donut hole. You could use a dotting tool, but I'm just using a needle here. Make sure you poke your needle all the way through the donut so that you can see the hole from both sides, so it looks more like a real donut. So now we're just going to get our donut and put it aside. Now you can take some pink clay or whatever color clay you want for your icing, and I'm just going to use 2 popsicle sticks to roll this out. So you're going to get the 2 popsicle sticks and put it on either side of the clay and then roll it out with your clay roller. I'm just flipping it right here and then rolling it out a bit more. Now you're just going to put that aside and check to see if your icing is the right size for your donut. Mine was a tiny bit too big, so all I did was I went ahead and I got my craft knife and then I cut off the edges so that it was a bit more circular and a bit smaller so that it fit my donut a bit better. Now, a lot of the icings for the donuts that you'll see have like a wavy sides, but I just decided to keep mine a bit simpler and just go with a circular icing. So now I'm just smoothing out the edges a tiny bit, and I'm placing it on the donut. Now you're just going to press this down all the way around so that it's nice and secure and it's not going to come off. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and grab that same tool that you used to make the hole in your donut, which in my case is the plastic needle, and you're just going to press this through the center of the donut. So now I'm just taking a piece of hot pink clay and rolling it out into a very thin snake. You're going to use this for the sprinkles on your donut, so you want it to be really thin. Now you're going to repeat this process for all your other donut colors. So for my donut, I used hot pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So with the edge of your craft knife, you're just going to slice off the edge of your snake and dot it onto your donut. Make sure to leave a little spot for your face. Now you're going to bake it at 275 degrees for 15 minutes or according to your package directions. And don't forget to put on your eye pin. I did, and I had to put it on halfway through baking while it was steaming hot. So once your charm is done baking and cooled down, you can start painting it. I'm just using the plastic needle and some black acrylic paint to paint on 2 eyes. And now I'm just going to use it to paint on a laughing mouth. This is pretty easy. You just gotta be careful. Take your time a little bit. I did mess up, so I had to paint over the face with some pink paint and then redo it. So you gotta be really careful when you're doing the face. So now I'm just using some light pink paint to dot on the cheeks. This is optional, but I decided to do it because it would make it cuter. So that's how it looks now. So you're just going to let this dry, which is only going to take a couple of minutes. So now After you've cleaned your needle, you're just going to take it and use it with some white to make the shines on the eye. So just be very careful and dot it on. I put mine in the upper left corner of the eye. So now you're going to clean off your tool that you're using to paint, and I'm just using some red to dot on the tongue or the mouth, on the mouth. You've also got to be just very careful with painting this overall. Yay, so that's how it looks. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in my next one. Bye!